Hello YouTube, it's been cold here the past few days and I haven't been able to go on my usual hikes, but I haven't stopped thinking about the mountains. I've been working on this beautiful mountain art piece. I got the idea from the internet and went to Home Depot, picked up some scrap woods, went through my backyard, picked up some scrap woods and put all this together just in a day. I'll show you how I did it in this video. I'm getting ready to put this mountain art piece together. I have all the pieces laid out. This is gonna be the frame for it. I put those cardboard so I don't spill anything on the floor. I got the background piece, which is gonna be that. I've been pre-cutting wood all day, all kinds of different woods and shaping them into that. And this is gonna be the little overlay that goes over it. I've already put a couple pieces down. Still got about halfway to go. This is it. I glue it all together. So I had to put some weights on it just to keep it down in the places that I needed to be down. This little side wall popped out. I guess it's uneven. I'll just finish that off tomorrow again. But I got most of the pieces already done. I'll give it a final sand down and put a lacquer coat, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. We got everything mounted and set up. I went to get the last piece, this one here on the left, Home Depot. Got it of the scrap pieces of wood and fit it there perfectly. It's all screwed in, ready to go. I painted a little snow cap at the top of the highest peak. Let's call that a 14er. And I'm getting ready to put some varnish on it. I'm gonna do a clear coat and I'll show you how it turns out, guys. Finished product, very happy with the outcome. Threw some lights in just for extra visual effects. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.